And here we go. That capture point needs to be ours, right?
Australian light infantry, available to deploy.
Section CP right there. Make it snappy. Royal Engineers, we're taking that position.
You need light infantry. Aussie's taking ground. Location sighted. Moving to secure. Section command's done. Let's get men on the front line.
Sappers receiving order. Went little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about. Eyes open. Guns up.
We're taking that position.
Us. Spark up while there's time.
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Sappers, ground needs taking, boyos.
We're taking that position.
What's the task?
The lads are accounted for. Flag raised. Ready to move on. What have you got? Rifles raised in the colours.
A Dingo recon vehicle has been made ready.
Guns up.
We're taking that position.
Vehicle needs a heading.
Here you've got trouble. Setting our sight. Infantry closing on us.
Sappers, we're ready. Apparently it's better over there. We're all tore up. Taking fire.
We're taking losses here.
Stop! Pull over! Back up! Back
There's a
up!
road. Coordinates received.
Dingo, come on! Wait! Dingo, in combat! Dingo, you heard the command. Full stop! Pull over! Dingo,
160's firing on us.
Wait for
No!
your window. Come on, all
Ready,
where is it?
Contact with the enemy.
Scout car, here.
Sappers pinned down. We need out.
Signal, driver.
Australian infantry support is reporting in.
Infantry ready to go.
Now then, come on, chaps, we've got to move. Give us some breathing room. Bulldoze fire! Taking rounds! Heads on a swivel! Clear the vanguard! I need rounds!
Where are we going?
Vehicle full throttle! We're going! Dingo! In! Foot down, driver! Make a move! What's the weight? Dingo! In combat!
Enemies pushing the line, trying to take one of our points.
What now? Hold on, full stop! Pull over! Dingo! Go! Go! Bloody go!
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
Pack it up, lads.
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Light infantry.
Dingo! In combat!
A victory point is being overrun.
Keep on the
Rules are strong!
Taking holes. Understood.
Right! That's all right!
We're losing a victory point.
The mortar crew has our position!
Our mortar team is awaiting orders.
Back us up!
Ready as you'll ever be.
Of course we can! Pull over!
Enemy rifles. They're having a go.
Here, boys.
Where are we going?
All right,
Moving forward.
What's the
Machine gun. We're in range.
So move.
Crossing here. Go for the head.
Scout cars in front!
Finish. Point captain. Commander, over smoldering.
Move it.
Listen and move it.
Oh, wait, didn't scratch walls, boys.
Hush up.
I'm waiting. Off your asses. Move.
Light infantry into the building. Check the roofs.
Orders, sir. Get moving. Get
Weapon
moving.
emplacements are available for construction.
Little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about. Pack it. Eyes open. Guns up. We're taking that position.
We're moving out, chums. Steady on. Who took you out of bloody drive? What is this? Urban drive? Move! Register mirror, signal driver.
Good on you, mate.
Scout car, orders are in.
Making headway to
Oh,
the
we need
target.
it elsewhere, lads. Let's get to it.
Location sighted. Moving to secure. What have you got? Form up outside. 3-inch. Relocate.
Sappers on site. What do you need blowing up?
Aussie rats here. Time to make maintain distance. Infantry.
Even dropping red
Commander, it's locked down.
Not had orders. It's flamethrower duty. Savage, you're up. Is it load bearing?
Let's get
Then
some
it's fixed.
blisters for your blisters.
Royal Engineers
Give
here.
us some breathing room.
Sappers receiving orders.
Scout, take your stations. We're heading out. Slow us up.
You've got orders.
So then, what are we burning? Sappers, eager to shift some dead weight. Finished your bloody hole for you.
Scout, come on, start. What now? We're moving out, pulling over. Slow us up.
Sap, we've got orders to move. So move. Starting the work.
Setting our sights and moving out.
Fueled up and ready.
Our munitions point is being overrun.
Come on, crew.
Ready for
We
more.
can sleep tomorrow.
Send your message. Listen up.
Rolling our training to all weapon teams.
Reporting. Royal Engineers, ready. All right, Boyle.
All right,
we're
moving
done
forward.
here. Sappers.
Jerry has 300 points remaining.
Royal Engineers here.
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Sappers, eager to shift some dead.
Team weapon training victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Stop. What now? Wait! It's done, sir! Whoa!
Like we've never marked. Listen up. All of you.
Get it out.
They're losing a munitions point.
Fire on them.
Aussie's here.
Close in.
We've lost a sector.
Sit to it.
Give it a
Look,
little
dude.
haste.
Vehicle needs moving out, chums. Getting guns out and ahead. Pulling over.
Sappers, eager as will ever be. Done.
Setting our sights and moving
Done.
out.
Royal
You heard the
Engineers,
commander.
ready.
Get
Let's
to
get
it.
rolling, lads.
Infantry closing on us.
Come on,
Over
chaps.
there.
Gotta move.
Right infantry have a job to do.
Orders,
Start
sir.
now.
Sappers ready. Onto our
Let's
gates.
be running without a fight.
Send help.
Oh, fire.
The boys have done it like we've never marked enemy rifles.
What
They're
now?
having a go. Maintain distance. Infantry.
Confirm. The enemy has 250 points left.
Awaiting orders.
Come back. Back!
Royal, we've got orders to move. So move.
Making headway to the target.
Time to march, Boyle. Come
Command.
on.
Report contact.
Welders up.
Like sharp desert. Desert rat. Get back. Head for right. Infantry closing on us. Coordinates received. Enemy in range. Get to cover. Aussie light infantry in trouble.
You have 3 command points available.
Get moving. Run, Sappers. Run.
All right, driver, take your time.
Weapons still in the post, boys. Move it.
An emplacement has been destroyed. We have infantry support. Australians, no less.
Stop mucking about. We're up.
Ready to weapon team. Move it.
We We need space for the wounded. Infirmary coming right up.
Where are we going?
We're losing a fuel point. We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Full stop! Pull over! We're standing ready!
Victory point under enemy control.
Dingo, in combat!
Get on with it!
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Dingo, in combat!
Aussies promoted! Just stop and wait! In the head! Did it! Grenade! Marching! Halt! What is it? He's dead!
Sappers have orders to over-repair vehicles for the coming fight.
That order!
Retreat action! Set fire! Cover it! Get out of here! Retreat!
Short light tanks requisitioned. Stand by.
Dingo, in combat! This'll give them second form!
The enemy is down to 200 points. Carry on.
Awaiting instructions! Hold your asses!
We read, get on it!
Usher! Do as I say! Aussies here!
Get moving!
Listen up! All advancing!
Oh wait, yeah, we're moving!
Short light tanks are ready for mustering.
Here!
Drive them out!
Listen up! There you are!
Keep the position, Sappers!
We've lost contact with our sappers.
Weapon! Quickly! Here you are!
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Usher! Indirect fire! Finish! Where? Doesn't capture it! Whatever it takes! Here! Like we've never marched before!
Initiating rollout of battlefield commissions for the men.
Aussies here! And this is it! Get it captured! Commander, get this place locked down! Out! What is it? This is it! Get it captured!
Dingo, move it! Full stop! Pull over!
Infantry training completed.
Set fire! Get out of
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Did you heard the commander?
Aussie rat here!
Our victory point is being overrun. Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Steady on! Who taught you how to bloody...
Finish our orders! Mirror, signal driver! Right, give us some freedom!
What have you got? Alright, moving forward! Listen up!
Yeah, all right, driver, take your time!
3 each! Come on, crew! The lads are accounted for making headway to the target! There! Come on! Hang on! Get your asses! I know! Come on! Quickly!
Emplacement destroyed by the enemy.
You've got trouble! Asses in here! Aussie rats here! What have you got? Aussies taking ground! What a some walk in the park! You need making headway to the target! Prepared position! Where are we going? Right here! Ours now! The lads are accounted for! Recon's a good job!
Now, what is this? Stop, stop!
What have you got?
What now?
Here you've got trouble! Aussie rats here! Where are we going? The trees! Moving forward! The lads are accounted for! With you lollygagging and march!
Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders.
Enemy rifles! They're having a go! Maintain distance!
The beggars are threatening a munitions point.
Numbers faltering! Coordinates flying! Stop!
You have command points available.
We're taking losses here! Aussie, come on!
We're losing a victory point.
The target! Rifles up, asses in gear!
Victory point is in enemy hands.
And here we go. Hazard removal
Heading to our
package
destination
requisition.
now. Pulling
What's
over.
let me guess?
All right, moving forward!
Wait here.
Let's get some blisters for your blisters! Let them down!
Stuart's light tank, tracked and ready.
Back up! Listen to moving!
We've lost the sector to the enemy.
Like we've never marched before! Standing by!
Scout car here.
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Stow that gear, boys.
The enemy has our victory point now. The enemy have taken our territory. Radio's dead. Stuart's crew killed.
Hold tight. It's gonna get rough. Pulling over. Right. Right.
Anti-weapon team here!
We're moving. Anti-tank gun.
Rifles up!
We're on it.
What's that order?
On a bomb! Back to base!
Snappers, report back.
The wipers down!
Mirror. Signal.
Come on, sappers. Follow it.
Australian weapon crew lost.
Blow us up. All right, driver. Take your time.
Sappers. Oh, we're needed elsewhere, lads. Now, let's get to it.
Mirror. Signal, driver.
What you? No respite, wicked.
Scout, come on, chaps. We've got to move.
Handcuffs in these
Aussie rats here!
Report. One of our anti-tank guns is gone.
Needed elsewhere, lads. Let's get to it.
Report from the front. The enemy have... We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Setting our sights and moving out. Sit tight!
A sector is in enemy control. A victory point is being overrun.
Got orders to move, so move.
All right, moving forward!
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Move!
Move, boys!
Commander, march it! It'll be ours! Pack up! Coordinates received! Maintain distance! Infantry! Doesn't rack! Do as I say!
Royal Engineers, ready.
Lads are encountered enemy strategic point. Neutralizing it. Setting our sights. Crikey! MG's opened up on us! Where are we going?
We have a surplus of command points, Commander.
From them! Get to cover! Order!
Not had orders.
Heads down! Tank!
Fuel steady on.
Hands up!
Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector.
Stand back!
Harry's got it. ready.
Aussies, call my loader! Got it? Rifles up, asses in gear!
What's the task?
That border's gonna cut us off!
A fuel point is being overrun.
Enemy rifles! They're having a go!
We shall construct reinforced resource caches at your command. Word from the front, our Australian infantry. We're losing a victory point.
Pack it up, lads. We're moving.
Setting our sights and moving out! You need light? Alright, moving!
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action.
Sappers, following orders.
The beggars are threatening a victory point. Victory point under enemy control. Territory lost.
What have you got? Herb Commander! Indirect fire! Where? Taking ground from them! Infantry closing on us!
All victory points are under enemy control. We must counterattack.
Desert from our numbers faltering!
Sappers, ground needs taking, boys.
The enemy is trying to take a point from us. The Matilda heavy tank has been depleted. Damnation! The sector's in enemy hands.
They won't see this coming! Enemy rifle! We're having a go!
25 pounders with supercharged rounds are on standby order.
Sappers, catching it up now.
Give us the we are border nearby!
A munitions point is being overrun. Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
Second job, securing location!
Sasto, that capture point needs to be ours, right?
You need light infantry? We'll have it in no time at all. Location sighted. Moving to secure.
Aye, we're moving, lads.
Sappers, receiving orders.
Scout car, here. Secured. Pull that flag down.
Ours
Little
now.
souvenir, eh?
Making headway to the target.
Not had orders in yonks. Sappers ready.
Roger that.
Territory sector lost, Commander.
Order.
Rolling, lads.
Plans are extending our sights and
We're up,
moving out.
lads.
Securing supplies from Jerry.
The throttle of that engine and move.
Indirect
Orders
fire.
received.
There's a job that needs
Sappers under strength.
Get to it.
Chicken digger! To your fucking middle! We want the glory!
Awaiting instructions, sir.
Push it!
Sappers, sir. Getting antsy. Count is back
That's the call! And the right is not out! Kill out!
Infantry.
The victory point is being overrun. An HMG crew has been lost to enemy action. The enemy has our victory point now.
Sappers ready. Oil engineers ready.
Matilda heavy tank. Matilda infantry support available for orders. Matilda, report. Queen of the desert. Let's get going, laddies. We're moving, laddies. Stopping. Vector lost. Repeat. Vector lost. Order. Ready. About. Awesome. All victory points. Act now. Get it done. They've been gone. No. I want good for the infantry. We've lost the sector to the enemy. What and run! Matilda! We are doing this! Hold it! It's gone! We have 200 points remaining. And infantry getting close! Give them a warning shot! We're losing a munitions point to enemy action. We need covering first! Slow her down, driver! One of our heavy tanks is destroyed. Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector. No! Well, that's going to leave a mark. Ready? Back up! Move! Heavy tank! We're awaiting orders.
They're under fire! Don't cover you, both!
Right, right. It's pity those who get in the way. Driver, left topping.
Grenade! Move your asses! They're breaking through us, you know?
Stop! Orders here! Smack your driver! Oh!
All right, moving forward.
Ready, trooper! Down! Matilda taking minor damage!
Sappers here! Work it!
Order! Keep the trigger! Push it! Hold it! Getting traction! Let's get it! Haste! Bloody full stop!
Sappers, we're ready!
What have you got?
Buckle up, gents. We're down to 100 points. Right! We've lost contact with our sappers. Receiving enemy fire!
Oh, we did! Fire!
The tank knocked out in the field.
Go on, Sappers! Get to follow it!
We've got 75 points remaining.
Don't push your luck! Securing the weapon! There's lovely!
An Australian weapon team has been killed.
Enemy rifle! They're having a go! Stop it! Get out of here! Retreat!
25 pounders with supercharged rounds are on standby orders.
We hear you've got trouble! Where are we going?
Oh, we're needed elsewhere, lads! They get stuck!
Get the wounded clear. We have a long fight ahead of us.